Hello, my name is Caroline Manny, and in this video I will show you how to use Mendeley, a citation manager. Citation managers can be used to help you organize your references for papers and to help you cite them. To use Mendeley, you will go to Mendeley's download page, which you can Google, and you can see the URL here, and you will click Download Now for Windows. That will allow you to install Mendeley on your computer. Once you have Mendeley installed on your computer, you can begin to work with your citations. But before you do that, another thing you may want to do is go to Tools and install the Mendeley web importer. If you click on that, you will be taken to this page. On this page, you will see a button that says that you can get the web importer for whatever browser that you have installed. You'll click on that button and then click on Add to Firefox or whatever browser you're using. That will install the Mendeley plugin in your browser. When you have the Mendeley plugin installed in your browser and you are looking at a resource that you would like to use in a paper, like for example this paper on World War I, while the source is open, you can go to the Mendeley plugin, and once you are signed in, you can click the Add to Mendeley button, and by clicking on that button, the document that you have open is saved to Mendeley. Here is the document that I had open on World War I just a moment ago, and it is saved in my Mendeley library. I can also save documents to my Mendeley library if I've already downloaded them to my computer by dragging and dropping them to this library area. Once I have a document in my Mendeley library, I can put it in folders by creating new collections. I can share it with my research partners by creating groups and specifying which documents are shared by that group. I can click on a document that's in my library, and that opens this pop-up, which gives me general information, including an abstract, about the article. And it also gives me the opportunity to make annotations about the article to help me remember what was important in the article, or to make a notebook entry to help me remember my own personal thoughts about the use of that article for my paper. To use Mendeley to cite any of the sources in my library, I would go to Tools and install the Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word. That will allow me to integrate Mendeley with Microsoft Word and insert citations from Mendeley using the Word Reference Manager. For more information about using Mendeley, see the printed instructions underneath this video.